Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful souls. Hello, once again. It is me, your sacred coach, Nomasonto Zwane. With the request that I've been receiving, I am a spiritual teacher, and then I deal with a lot of relationship programs and to help people get to understand their love story and have the beautiful love life that they've always wanted and always believed that they deserve. So in this particular video, I'm going to be sharing something completely different from from what I've been sharing, but it was a request, so I'm going to do it. It is a request that the video it's all about how do you administer the others call colon hydrotherapy home, doing it at home, which is ukhatha ngesizulu. Now, the one of the questions that I was asked, Gucci coach, when do you do that? When do you do that? When is it that you know that you must do it? How often? And in what circumstances? What do you use? And so forth. So that's what, and how do you actually do it? So I'm going to share just quickly those things as to what is it that I do with for myself. One, how often do I do it? It depends. Hence, it depends on how I am feeling. What I'm saying, why I'm saying that is you have got to listen to your body. You have got to know when to do it. Like with my case, one of the things that I know that definitely now I need to administer one or to ukata is when I start feeling my skin starts feeling sore, as if it's heavy. I also start feeling a sore throat, but not really a sore throat, as if something is on my throat. And then at times it feels like it's too much oil. At times, like it seems like it's I forgot the name now, the English name, but it's kwehlela. It feels as if you constantly want to do do that. So then I know that it's time for me to administer that. Some of the way that I know it is when I constantly get dreams that I very I can't make sense of them. It's very strange dreams and so forth. But I don't just only look at when it's dreams. These at times will be the dreams plus my skin. At times I will feel with my mouth. My mouth, it will start smelling foully, or at times it is actually my mouth starting getting very dry. And when it starts getting very dry, I know when either then my skin, or so it's my skin, or it is my throat, or it's my stomach, feeling as if there's too much happy activity happening or chaos happening there. So when that any of those, at times in most of the cases it's two or three of those, or two of those, or one of them in a very intense in its intensity, then I will know that okay, it's time for me to do that. So at times I don't do it. A month goes by without me doing it. At times it is once a month. At times it's twice a month. So it depends, obviously, your stress levels. It depends on my stress levels. It depends on how much junk I've been eating, especially sugar and so forth. That's how I know. So I don't really have a time what it must happen every month, though other people say you must do the cleansing on a monthly basis. So I only do it when I feel those body symptoms. Two, and what do you use? I use pure water, pure tap water. But because I also collect rainwater, so I put in rainwater and I mix it with boiling water, and then just so that the water becomes warm. I don't put anything in it. I don't put salt. I don't put anything in it. Just pure water. Then what is it that I do? This is how this mine looks like. So this is a 2 liter, I believe. I've tried checking, but my son says it's a 2 liter. So what I will always do, you'll put in the water up until into this level here, and then what you do is you take the pipe itself, and then I will put in something to moisturize it. Either it's a Vaseline, either it's some form of oil. At times I use olive oil, but any or your baby oil, any oils that I can get, I use. But normally, most of the time, I use a Vaseline. Why do I do that? So that I can moisturize this part, so that when we get to when I get into the I push it in into my that part. What do they call it? Is it anal? I don't. Yeah, that part where number two you do number two. So it makes it to go smooth without me having to feel pain. So that's what I do is, and then this thing, this container has got a something that you can hold, that you can hold onto something, or this, because now we live in modern homes, what I do is with mine, I put it on the inside of the windowsill, and then I stretch this pipe, the pipe itself, and then what I do is then I kneel down, and then I put this thing in at the back, and then allow the water to just come. It could just come by itself, and then once it's done, the water is finished. It literally takes from the water coming down, literally takes less than 5 minutes. So yeah, the water gets into my stomach at times, depending, as I'm saying, depending how bad my system is. Then at times I don't finish the whole 2 liters, but at time most of the times I do. And then after that, then you sit on the toilet. But what happens is after you've done that, within the next 30 minutes, you feel a little bit, as if your stomach, you have drank a laxative or something like that, but it's just the water. You can actually feel the water going into your stomach, and then wanting to come out, and then you just sit in the toilet, let everything come out. Normally with me, 2 times, 3 times, then after that, I feel like brand new person. Like this morning, that is why I'm remembering what I've got to do this video, because somebody asked, actually not somebody, people asked, and then one guy even sent me a voice note on WhatsApp saying, please, we're still waiting. So that's what I do. But for somebody who's starting out, I always say that you must rather use this one, because this one, it's a smaller one, it's a smaller version. I don't use this one. It's one I've never used it. I don't like it because you've got to apply pressure, hold it down, whereas the other one, you just put it there. If you are not comfortable that, because like my sister the other day was telling me that it falls every time she does that, so you will then maybe ask somebody to hold it for you, or use the handle to put it maybe on some to hold it up. And others, I've seen the other ones that are coming up in the market, they already have something, a string that to hook it, sort of something like it's like a hook. So that is what I do. That's how I do it. And then after an hour or so, you feel like a brand new person altogether. You feel like a brand new person altogether. So I don't have to drink laxatives. I don't have to get into all these things that people say, yeah, you must do this to cleanse your system. No, I just use pure water, and that's it. That's it. And then, it's as easy as that. If somebody, I know a friend of mine came through that few years ago, and then she was constipated, and I said to her, let me help you, let's do this. And she was scared. And then I told her that, no, I actually just put it there, this I'll hold for you. And then within she was able, because the water literally, once it cleans it gets whatever it gets in the stomach, and then it wants to push it out, then it will come out. So at times you'll find that I do it 2 consecutive days, because as I'm saying, it depends on how I'm feeling, which is very important. What I always say, pay attention to how you are feeling. Pay attention to your body, because your body always tells you how, what, and so forth. There's always communication happening all around you. So this is also good for me. I believe now that is one of the things that is helping me to maintain this weight that I'm always, because I'm still wearing the very same clothes that I used to wear 5 years ago, or even 7 years ago. And then it also helps with the belly fat, reducing belly fat. So there's so many benefits as far as I've heard people, but with me it was just for me to cleanse my system, so that I don't have to drink, and also having to find myself having to use that pill. I can't remember the name of the pill now, the one that they will give you that looks like an antibiotic pill that you put at the back, and then it will bring everything out. I don't have to do such things, because I don't need to go to the doctor. I've got all everything I need here at the comfort of my home. So that is it that I wanted to share. There's nothing else. There's really no magic or any strange thing about it and whatever. For me, it works. It has worked for years, although I don't force it on anyone. Like my kids don't do it, my husband doesn't do it, even my younger son doesn't even know what this thing is for, but because it's something that works for me, hence I keep doing it. So that is it for me to you today. The video that you've always been asking for, finally I managed to do it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Much, much, much love. Bye bye.